Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal, and this one is a French Paris themed journal. I've used many different kits, but I'm specifically going to be talking about Lisa's French kit, which is like a tall slim digital journal kit. And if you don't know who Lisa is, who I'm referring to, it is Lisa Handmade from Lisa. Sorry, but I couldn't remember. I always think, is it handmade by Lisa or handmade from Lisa? So it's handmade from Lisa. Let me get tongue twisted. So I've used her kit, but I've also used other kits as well. And most of the other ladies are linked below. And I think I've actually got Lisa linked below as well. But I will put her Paris kit below in the description box. So, big, tall, slim journal. I have used some like crocheted trim throughout the journal. I've used this beautiful fabric as well. Sorry, my watch is clicking on the mat. Yeah, this lovely fabric I've used. I actually got through an Amazon really thick bag with, I can't remember what was in it, but I had a few of them, so I've doubled some of them together, and you've got this lovely noise from it as well. Don't know if you can hear that. I love that noise. Anyway, so I've used that as the cover. It's been stitched all around. We've got a tie closure here. The measurements for this is 11, and that's not including the little flappy bit down here of the crocheted fabric. 11 by 4.5, and it has one signature and 64 pages front and back. Will be listed in my shop. I will put a direct link to the listing below, and you can go and check it out. So that's a pocket, and we've got some French ephemera here, and I think that's from the old design shop. There is throughout this, I'm not going to mention everyone because it rattles my brain sometimes, and today's one of them days. But there is Ruby and Pearl, ARTYmaze, the old design shop, TaylorMadeJournals, Lisa's kit, Tsunami Rose. Okay, so I've just made tags, put some images on here. There is staggered pages throughout. You can see all the little bits of crocheted fabric and tabs and trims. What do you call that? Ruffle. It's a ruffle. So anyway, we've got a piece of fabric here. This is from Lisa's, and we have got the postcards, and that is from Lisa as well. And I'm only going to mention Lisa stuff because that's what I'm promoting in this video. We've got writing space. That is Lisa's, and I shrunk it right down, backed it onto some paper, some other digital, crocheted trim here. We've got, there is lots, and there's so much stuff that you can take out. There is pockets and stuff. I've got lovely crocheted doilies that I've made into pockets, some ephemera there. So like I said, there's a big list of ladies linked below. Go over and check out them as well. And then we've got this. Oh, MyPorchPrints. I've used MyPorchPrints as well. Got some coffee dyed lined paper. These were like square crochet doilies, and obviously I've cut them and made them into pockets. Got tags here. You'll notice I've popped some butterflies throughout the journal as well, because why not? And all of that, a lot of the ephemera, this is from Lisa's kit. A lot of the ephemera that I've used is all French digital ephemera from all the ladies that I've mentioned. That lovely trim, that image, how cute is she? And this. Butterfly there, butterfly here, a little bit of crocheted trim there. We've got postcard, a double like journal tag, and then that's a French check. Some more. Oh, I'm just going to check I'm in frame here, right down the bottom. It's hard when it's these big tall journals to get them all in frame. Lisa's kit here, that's Lisa's kit behind this as well, and that's just like letter ephemera, and that just goes on there. And that goes on there. We've got this here, and then French ephemera there, crocheted trim. All the tabs are fabric, and that's the fabric that I used on the cover. I've actually still got quite a bit of that left, so I made some pockets, so I thought that was quite nice. A tag here, lined paper, French ephemera, another doily pocket, some more letter ephemera, and some more French ephemera here. I think that's ARTYmaze. Another tag here, little number labels on them. And this is Lisa's kit, and that's some crocheted trim. There is journal space there, and then that's Lisa's page as well. Here we've got a postcard, some more letter ephemera. And some more French ephemera here. She'll pop that way. So as you can see, I've left some of the pages white and some of the pages are coffee dyed, just to kind of break it up a little bit. And that is one of Lisa's pages, and I shrunk that down. And that is obviously a little flip here. You can tuck things in there because it was getting rather chunky, and I thought, you know, you have to give some space for people to actually use it. Otherwise, what's the point? And that just goes on there. That's the little pages again, Lisa's kit, pop the butterfly on there, and there. Another ruffle here, another tag. It's one of my favourite images. Some ephemera there. That isn't French though, but it's just ephemera. That lovely page there. Another tag, French checks, digital, French ephemera. Pop that side. When you go over to my coffee shop, if you go over to my coffee shop, you don't have to, but if you do, check out my freebies and my other digitals as well. I've just put up a couple more digitals, and I'm working on some digitals. Hopefully I'll have something up pretty soon, a little kit of some sort. This lovely big tag. Some more crocheted trim. And oops, scrappy piece. And that opens out. And a paper clip just holds that in place there. And then we've got some postcard here, and some like a 4-letter, that's from ARTYmaze, that. And that just goes in there. Lisa's papers, popped a butterfly on there. So that is the journal. So a lot going on in there. Love them, and that noise, love. Absolutely love that. I do sit and listen to people just like the ASMR videos where they're just making noises with papers. My favourite all-time thing. I know some of you are thinking you're weirdo. Yes, I am. I find it very relaxing. So there we go. let's sort that out a little bit. And obviously the back, again, sorry, I meant to mention that's open, so you can tuck things down the back of there as well. So that is the journal. Check out the links below. I'll put Lisa's shop below. The other ladies that I've mentioned are listed below as well. Check out my shop if you're interested in that. Check out my freebies and my other things for sale. And thanks for watching, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.